Hello folks, and welcome to another video, one that's long overdue. So basically I was backing out of the garage and I clipped the garage. There wasn't damage to the garage, but there was paint transfer from the garage to the car. And of course I went online, checked it out. There was a guy who has a WD-40 and a Mr. Clean resolution. It does work. A lot of people saying it worked, but a lot of folks are also saying that the it was leaving scratches on their car. Another guy was using a compound, not this Meguiar, and yeah, he showed a car like this had a scratch, and he put the compound on his orbiter buffer, and it took the paint right off. He had a link in his video to his Amazon, I guess Amazon link. I guess the guy, that's either his company or he worked for the company. They wanted $142 for I guess there was three bottle. One bottle was a buffer, another was like a medium compound, and another one was like a heavy compound. I'm not saying not to buy it. It's still a whole lot cheaper than taking your car into the shop, which will charge you about $500. Because what a shop would do is they'll buff this down, and then they'll repaint it. So I got the Meguairs, and yes, there's like tons of these scratch repair, blemish repair compounds. I went with the Meguiar because it says on the back, scuff and paint transfer repair. So I got my orbiter buffer here, so I'm gonna see here. Whoop. Okay, that might have been that might be a little bit too much, but we'll see. Oh, shoot, hold on here. Gotta set the. Okay, I'm gonna set the speed to 3. All right, here we go. Yeah, I think these are scratches. I don't know. It got the paint off, but I guess the scratches are still there. I don't know. Let me add some more. Yeah, the paint down here is a lot thicker. See here? Get some of that. Oh boy. Yeah, a little too hard there, and of course I scuffed up the paint. Yeah, that one I burnt the top coating off. Yeah, I might try. I gotta be careful. Alright, let's put some more of the. It is working. Of course, this is an old car, so I don't expect it to Yeah, I screwed that up. But of course, it's on the front lower of the car, so I don't expect it. All right. Maybe let's lower the speed down. Yeah, I stayed in this one spot too long. Work on this. It's getting there. Yeah, I guess I won't get the whole thing off. As long as I get the majority of it off. Let's see, I got micro. Yeah, I screwed it up real good right there. I'm gonna have to, I don't know, really put some wax on there, I guess. Let's see. Well, let's get a little bit more. Probably have to. Yeah. Yeah, now there's also a spray that you could buy, which I should have bought. Probably have to go back online and buy that spray. Yeah, these are actual scratches. So the paint is off, just the scratch. Then